Playing my video game longer this morning. Pretty sure my mom would like it. I wish I could just snap and freeze time.
Ah, Bob. Why did you show up finally? You're late.
I was up all night.
That's no excuse. Where's your homework?
Forgot it.
Okay. What about the homework from the day before?
Forgot it.
Forgot it? All of it? It's not good. It's not good, Bob.
I wish I could just unfreeze time and go back to my normal life.
Bob. 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 Bob!
What? I had a horrible dream. What?